Hey guys, for sure we all saw the trend to convert your images to Ghibli style. So now how about making an animated cartoon in a Ghibli style with lip syncing, voiceover, and for sure completely for free. So now let's get started. And first of all, just head over to Google and type Google AI Studio and jump to the first result, Google AI Studio. Then you can head over to this model and select this one, Gemini 2 Flash Image Generation Experimental, and you can find this interface like that. So you can select this one, Visual Story, to create your stories with amazing images for free, as you see. So now it's time to make your own kids story in a cartoon and in a Ghibli style. So here, to get ideas to create your kids stories, just head over to ChatGPT and ask for getting ideas of kids stories for parents and so on. So you can find up to 30 of these amazing ideas. So you can pick one of them and go back to Google AI Studio and insert this idea, for example this one, the banana detective, and in a Ghibli style for each scene generate an image and give a speech from one character in each scene. So here in Google AI Studio gives you these amazing scenes with story strawberry. Here you can find this speech in this scene and so on and so forth. And for sure, if you don't like these Ghibli style images from this amazing result, just wait for me. In this video I will give you different options to convert your image to Ghibli style for free. So here you can find this way, the first way to make your own script of your cartoon. Or the second way, you can simply head over to ChatGPT and ask for getting ideas to create kids stories, as you see. So you can pick one of them, ask again to get the whole script of your cartoon. And for each scene, give the prompt to generate an image and give a speech from one character in each scene. As you see, scene number 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth, with this image prompt and with this speech in every single scene. And now to make your own image using AI, here you can go to this amazing website that is revai.org, one of the most recent AI image generators that enables you to generate images 100% free, unlimited usage, and no sign up required. So here insert this prompt that you took from ChatGPT in the previous step and select your aspect ratio as you want. So you can do like this one, this prompt, and insert at the end of your prompt in a Ghibli style as you see. Select your dimensions and click over this button generate, and here you can find this amazing result, this banana detective. So you can download this image completely for free without any watermark. Okay, for sure, if you have different images of your cartoon story with different images in any style you want to convert these images in a Ghibli style, you can find different methods. The first one, you can head over to grok.com. Here you can upload your image like this one and ask for turning this image into a Ghibli style like this as you observe. Or you can head over to ChatGPT, upload your image and turn this image into Ghibli style and so on and so forth. Or you can head over to this website that is tensor.art. Here you can find amazing tools to generate images, generate videos, convert image to video, and for sure for free. Plus, here you can find many of these AI tools to add filters, to customize your images with AI. And for sure, including this Ghibli style. So here you can head over to the search bar and look for Ghibli style. You can find up to 30 of different filters and different custom AI tools like this one, as you see, photo to Ghibli style. So you can actually upload your image and just in few seconds you have this amazing result. So that's a step to convert images for your cartoon video. So what about making your own voiceover for your cartoon? You can actually go to this website that is fish.audio. It's an amazing website where you can clone your voice for free, convert text to speech, or even speech to text converter. So you can actually go to this one, text to speech. This is the middle option, or go this one up there. and select this one, instant speech, create, and you can upload your text or your script from Google AI Studio or from ChatGPT as you want. And here you can select your voice model. Click over this one and go to the Explore, and you can find hundreds of these AI voiceovers from different users out there and for different actors, actresses, and so on, as you observe. Okay, so you can select one of these beautiful voice actors to make your own voiceover for your cartoon video. Or if you clone your voice here for free, just you can go to this one, My Voice option. So anyway, you can use fish.audio for free, or you can head over to 11labs.io to find plenty of these voiceovers unbelievably. So you can insert your speech from every single scene and select your voice from this amazing list and generate your voice, and it could be like this one.
The cookie jar's been hit. And me, I'm the only banana.
And now it's time to make a lip syncing of these images to convert this image to video with these voiceovers. So now we can move on to the next step by going to this website that is degen.ai. It's a perfect website that gives you the potential to convert your image to video for free. So here you can sign up for free and go to this option, create your video. Then it's time to upload your image that you got in previous steps. And here select this option here to lip syncing your mode, so you can check this one and upload your voiceover from 11 Labs or from fish.audio, and then select this prompt or the same prompt to generate this image. Then click over this button, generate your video, and the result would be like this one. I just uploaded this image and select in regarding this music, I just select no music. And upload here your audio or your voiceover, or you record your own if you want, and insert this prompt that generates also this image and generate your video, and the result here
Another night, another crime.
as you observe. Then you can download these video clips one by one and gather all of them in editing software as you like Filmora, DaVinci, Canva, or CapCut. And for sure, here that way you can create your cartoon for kids cartoon in a Ghibli style completely for free using amazing AI tools. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave us in the comment section. See you in the next video.